You think emails get opened? Think again. In today's fast-paced digital world, our inboxes are flooded with countless emails every single day. It's no wonder that many of them go unopened, lost in the sea of promotions, newsletters, and spam. People are overwhelmed and fatigued by the sheer volume of emails they receive. They simply don't have the time or energy to sift through them all. This is where SMS comes in as a game changer. 98% of text messages get opened. Let that sink in. That's insane engagement. Unlike emails, text messages are direct, personal, and immediate. When your phone buzzes with a new message, you can't help but check it. It's almost an instinctual reaction. This is why SMS boasts such a high open rate. People are more likely to read and respond to a text message than an email. It's a powerful tool for businesses looking to connect with their audience in a meaningful way. You're leaving money on the table if you're not texting your audience. Think about it. Every unopened email is a missed opportunity. But with SMS, you can ensure that your message is seen and acted upon. Whether you're sending out promotions, updates, or reminders, text messages have a higher chance of reaching your customers and driving engagement. This can translate to increased sales, better customer retention, and a stronger brand presence. Look, I'm all about that hustle. I understand the grind and the effort it takes to build and grow a business. Every minute counts, and every strategy needs to be effective. That's why leveraging SMS marketing is a no-brainer. It's efficient, cost-effective, and delivers results. You can reach your audience instantly no matter where they are or what they're doing. It's like having a direct line to your customers' pockets. I see businesses grinding away on Instagram, Facebook, you name it. Social media is great, but it's crowded. Everyone is vying for attention, and it's easy for your message to get lost in the noise. With SMS, you cut through that clutter. Your message stands out because it's delivered straight to your customers' phones. It's personal and hard to ignore. Plus, you can integrate SMS with your social media campaigns for a more comprehensive marketing strategy. But here's the thing. People are glued to their phones, and they're reading their texts. Whether they're waiting in line, sitting in a coffee shop, or just lounging at home, their phones are always within reach. This constant connectivity means that your SMS campaigns have a higher chance of being seen and acted upon. It's about meeting your audience where they are and engaging with them in a way that's convenient and effective. You want to cut through the noise? Then SMS is your answer. It's a direct line to your customers, bypassing the clutter of emails and the competition of social media. With a well-crafted message, you can capture their attention and drive action. Whether it's a special offer, a new product announcement, or a simple reminder, SMS ensures that your message is delivered and read. Meet your customers where they are. In today's mobile-first world, that means reaching them on their phones. SMS marketing allows you to do just that. It's about being present in the moments that matter, providing value, and building a connection. Your customers will appreciate the convenience and the personal touch that SMS offers. It's a win-win for both you and your audience. That's why SMS marketing is the future. It's not just a trend, it's a powerful tool that can transform your business. By incorporating SMS into your marketing strategy, you can enhance your reach, boost engagement, and drive results. So, don't miss out on this opportunity. Start leveraging the power of SMS today and watch your business thrive. SMS marketing is simple. It's using text messages to reach your customers, but it's more than just sending a text. It's about creating a direct line of communication with your audience. Imagine being able to reach your customers instantly, no matter where they are. Whether they're at home, at work, or on the go, your message gets delivered straight to their pocket. Think about it. You get texts all the time, right? Appointment reminders, shipping updates, and even notifications from your bank. These messages are part of your daily routine. They keep you informed and connected. Now, imagine using that same power to keep your customers engaged with your brand. Maybe a promo code from your favorite store. These messages are not just informative, they're also persuasive. They can drive immediate action like making a purchase or visiting a website. And because they're delivered directly to your customer's phone, they're hard to ignore. Now, imagine you're the one sending those texts. You have the power to reach your customers whenever you want. You can send personalized messages that make your customers feel valued and appreciated. You can keep them informed about new products, special offers, and important updates. You can build hype for a new product launch. Imagine the excitement your customers will feel when they receive a text about a new product that's just been released. They'll feel like they're part of an exclusive group that's getting insider information. You can send out flash sales that get people spending. These limited-time offers create a sense of urgency that encourages your customers to act quickly. And because the offer is delivered directly to their phone, they're more likely to see it and take advantage of it. You can even use it for customer service, answering questions and solving problems. Imagine being able to provide instant support to your customers no matter where they are. You can resolve issues quickly and efficiently, improving customer satisfaction and loyalty. The best part? It's direct, it's personal. Your messages are delivered straight to your customer's phone, making them feel like they're having a one-on-one conversation with your brand. This personal touch can help build stronger relationships with your customers. And it gets freaking results. Studies have shown that SMS marketing has higher open rates and response rates compared to other marketing channels. This means your messages are more likely to be seen and acted upon. So, if you're looking for a way to boost your marketing efforts and connect with your customers on a deeper level, SMS marketing is the way to go. Listen, I'm not hating on billboards or TV commercials, they had their time. But let's be real, the game has changed. People are bombarded with ads everywhere they look. They've got banner blindness, they're skipping commercials, and their inboxes are overflowing. Traditional marketing is like throwing spaghetti at the wall and hoping something sticks. SMS marketing is like a laser beam, hitting your target directly. Think about how you use your phone. You see an email, you might open it later. You see a text, you open it instantly. SMS marketing is all about that immediacy. You can send out a message and get people engaging with your brand within minutes. Plus, it's trackable. You know exactly who's opening your messages, who's clicking your links, and who's ready to buy. That's powerful data, my friends. Real results. Businesses crushing it with SMS. Don't just take my word for it. Businesses across all industries are seeing massive success with SMS marketing. Restaurants are using it to fill tables on slow nights. E-commerce stores are sending abandoned cart reminders that recover lost sales. Even brick-and-mortar shops are using it to drive foot traffic with exclusive deals. The possibilities are endless, and the results speak for themselves. Let's talk about a brand that gets it. Insert name of a brand known for successful SMS marketing. This brand has revolutionized the way businesses think about SMS marketing. While many companies still rely heavily on email and social media, this brand saw the untapped potential of text messaging and decided to make it the cornerstone of their marketing strategy. And guess what? It's paying off in ways they could have never imagined. They built their entire marketing strategy around SMS, and it's paying off big time. By focusing on the immediacy and personal nature of text messages, they've managed to create a direct line of communication with their audience. Unlike emails that often go unread or social media posts that get lost in the feed, text messages are almost always opened and read. This brand understood that and leveraged it to their advantage. They send out timely updates, flash sales, and important announcements directly to their customers' phones, ensuring that their messages are seen and acted upon almost immediately. They use it to build a community, offering exclusive content and behind-the-scenes access to their subscribers. This isn't just about sending out promotions, it's about creating a sense of belonging among their customers. Subscribers feel like they're part of an exclusive club, getting access to content and offers that aren't available to the general public. This sense of exclusivity keeps customers engaged and looking forward to the next message. They've even used SMS to give their most loyal customers sneak peeks of new products and early access to sales, making them feel valued and appreciated. They send personalized recommendations and promotions that actually convert. By analyzing customer data and purchase history, they're able to send highly targeted messages that resonate with individual customers. This isn't just about blasting out generic messages to everyone on their list. It's about sending the right message to the right person at the right time. Whether it's a recommendation for a product they might like or a special discount on something they've been eyeing, these personalized messages drive conversions and build customer loyalty. The result? Higher engagement, increased sales, and a loyal customer base that can't wait to see what they do next. This brand has shown that with the right strategy, SMS marketing can be incredibly effective. They've managed to turn a simple text message into a powerful marketing tool that drives real results. Their success serves as a blueprint for other businesses looking to harness the power of SMS marketing. By focusing on personalization, exclusivity, and timely communication, they've built a marketing strategy that not only reaches their audience but also resonates with them on a personal level. It's no wonder they've become a texting titan. In a world of endless distractions, SMS marketing cuts through the noise and creates real connections. It's about building relationships, not just blasting out promotions. When you use it right, SMS marketing becomes a two-way conversation. You're providing value, answering questions, and building trust with every message. The future of marketing is mobile, and it's happening now. SMS marketing isn't a trend, it's a fundamental shift in how we communicate with customers. Don't be that brand that's stuck in the past, still relying on outdated methods. Get in the game, experiment, and see the power of SMS marketing for yourself. What do you think about SMS marketing? Have you seen success with it? And hey, if you want more content like this, make sure you're subscribed to this channel. We're dropping knowledge bombs every single week.